Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog food for diarrhea that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the under-the-weather, easy-to-digest bland diet for sick dogs. The under-the-weather, easy-to-digest bland diet is a top choice for its expertly formulated blend of human-grade ingredients. Manufactured in the USA and free of byproducts, gluten, artificial flavors, and dyes, this bland diet offers convenience as it rehydrates in just minutes when mixed with water. Additionally, it boasts a 3-year shelf life, ensuring you're always prepared with a quick and healthy meal solution during your canine companion's times of need. Vet-formulated and recommended, this freeze-dried bland diet soothes your pup's tummy during digestive upsets stemming from travel, medications, or changes in routine. Its award-winning formula contains white rice and 100% human-grade white meat chicken raised cage-free without antibiotics or hormones. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Hill's Science Diet Perfect Digestion. Hill's Science Diet Perfect Digestion delivers veterinarian-recommended support for your dog's digestive health. With its Active Biome Plus technology, this wet dog food is formulated to promote a balanced gut microbiome and healthy digestion. The carefully selected ingredients work toward achieving regularity and healthy stools, providing noticeable results in just 7 days. He best dog food for diarrhea by effectively addressing digestive concerns through its trusted formulation with global ingredients. In addition, Hill's Science Diet Perfect Digestion stands out for its ability to contribute to your pet's overall well-being by maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. When it comes to supporting your furry friend's digestive needs, Hill's Science Diet Perfect Digestion offers reliable benefits that concerned dog owners can trust and appreciate. At number 3, we have the Whole Life Dog Bland Diet. Whole Life Pet Recover is a top choice for concerned dog owners seeking the best solution for their pet's stomach distress or diarrhea relief. This product stands out as it provides human-grade, FDA-registered bland diet food made in a certified facility to ensure quality and safety. With just 2 ingredients, skinless chicken breast and white rice, it offers a convenient and effective interim food option for dogs during recovery from bouts of digestive issues. The Ready in Minutes feature makes Whole Life Pet Recover an ideal go-to solution that ensures quick access to a bland diet when needed. Its simplicity and reliability aid in transitioning dogs back to their regular diet after experiencing gastrointestinal discomfort, providing comforting support for both pets and their owners through challenging times. At number 2, we have the Blue Buffalo True Solutions Blissful Belly Wet Dog Food. Blue Buffalo True Solutions Blissful Belly Wet Dog Food provides a balanced nutrition formula specifically designed to support dogs with sensitive stomachs. The thoughtful ingredients list includes high-quality chicken as the first ingredient and antioxidant-rich ingredients like apples. This clinically proven dog food also contains prebiotic fiber to promote digestive health and maintain stool quality, making it an excellent choice for concerned dog owners seeking effective solutions for their pets. With no chicken byproduct meals, artificial flavors or preservatives, corn, wheat, or soy, Blue Buffalo True Solutions Blissful Belly Wet Dog Food offers wholesome ingredients that are gentle on dogs' stomachs. Veterinarians and PhD animal nutritionists formulate this wet dog food to provide real meat nutrition while addressing concerns about digestive care in dogs. And finally, at number 1, we have the KOHA Limited Ingredient Bland Diet for Dogs. The KOHA Limited Ingredient Bland Diet for Dogs offers a gentle and effective solution for dogs struggling with chronic digestive issues or temporary flare-ups. With its high-quality, limited ingredients, This wet dog food is free from fillers like peas, potatoes, corn, and artificial preservatives that can trigger digestive problems. Its chicken and white rice recipe provides a single protein source for easy digestion, making it ideal for pups dealing with loose stool or upset stomachs. Whether your dog needs a daily diet change or just a topper to enhance their current meals, the KOHA Bland Diet provides convenience without compromising on quality. This bland diet can help support healthy stools and regularity, with its inclusion of pumpkin alongside white rice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.